academic researchers got drawn in. The funding was so good. Listen, I've had NIH funding. I'm full professor of medicine. I know about the research funding game. And infectious disease doctors, instead of devising new strategies or new antibiotics, what have you, it became so desirable to get into the pandemic response business about a future disease. Ralph Baric at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, is the most published person on coronaviruses in the world. It's interesting, in the last 3 years, he's been the most silent person on the national stage. And he has been working for years on trying to make a chimeric virus. There's 4 coronaviruses that can affect us. It's like a mild cold that never invades the body. And he was able, through US-funded research that was done in his labs and other labs, and at the very end it was done in China, basically make the prototype SARS-CoV-2, that chimeric virus. And Baric announced this discovery in 2 important publications in Nature Medicine and Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in 2015. And the title of these papers said, a SARS-like chimeric virus that's poised for human emergence. It's like, aha, we did it. We got the bat coronavirus. We took the best of the bat coronavirus onto a human coronavirus, and we got it to invade a human respiratory epithelial cell that was in the tract of mice. And in these papers, Baric thanks the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Says, thank you very much. We contracted the work for you. You did it. In the papers, it says, this is gain-of-function research. And since the Obama ban on gain-of-function research, it was grandfathered in. Since we started before the ban, we've just outsourced it to the Wuhan Institute of Virology. It's in these manuscripts, as plain as day. No wonder Ralph Baric is the most silent person in the world.